Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your car's AC system. First, you'll need an AC recharge kit, which usually includes a can of refrigerant and a hose with a pressure gauge. Always wear safety goggles and gloves to protect yourself from the refrigerant. It's crucial to check under your hood or in your owner's manual to confirm the correct refrigerant type for your vehicle, as using the wrong one can cause damage. With your safety gear on, start your car and turn the air conditioning to its coldest setting, with the fan on high and recirculation engaged. Now, open the hood and find the low-pressure service port. This port is usually on the thicker of the two AC lines and often has a cap marked with an L. It's typically located near the compressor or accumulator. Once you've found the low-pressure port, securely attach the recharge kit's hose to it. The gauge will show your current system pressure. If it's in the low range, you can begin adding refrigerant. Hold the can upright, push the dispenser, and continuously shake and rotate the can between 12 and 3 o'clock to ensure even flow into the system. As you add refrigerant, keep a close eye on the pressure gauge. Overcharging can harm your AC system, so it's important to stop once the gauge reaches the recommended green zone, typically between 25 and 45 pounds per square inch, depending on ambient temperature. Once complete, carefully disconnect the hose, replace the low-pressure port cap, and close your hood. You should now enjoy much colder air from your vents.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.